Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to check out daily rewards and redeem daily vouchers. So first of all, go to your Shopee homepage and then check out daily voucher because you might find some deals that you may otherwise have not found. So just press on this. And as you can see, there are a lot of vouchers such as cashbacks, 10%, 50% even, using Shopee Supermarket. And you can redeem them by pressing this button, claim. Now, after pressing the button, the voucher will be automatically redeemed on your Shopee cart. So next time you check out, you will be able to use your 10% cashback voucher. Next, you have Shopee Premium vouchers, which are actual discounts such as $6 off, $15 off, but of course you have a minimum spending. You can claim these by also clicking, and then they will be saved onto your cart. And these are more specific, and then when you scroll down, you will find more store specific vouchers such as TP Link official store voucher, $12 off, $20 off for skin ink, $6 off for Snow Treasures, and even $65 off in Timberland store. All you have to do is spend a minimum of $250 and you can claim this voucher. There are also vouchers for electronics, and you will find more vouchers by scrolling down. So don't miss out on daily vouchers by clicking on this and checking them out each day on your Shopee homepage. That is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave any of your questions in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.